Finally, I got my hands into the most exclusive upcoming releases on Instagram that's going to actually help you and your business to generate more sales or simply grow your following. So if you are on Instagram and your business is on Instagram, then keep watching this video. What is up everybody, Fred Lam here and welcome to my video channel where I share everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. Now in this video, right inside this phone, I actually have 7 upcoming releases that rarely anyone knows of, but it's going to actually make a huge impact in your Instagram business and also for growing your following as well. But before we get into it, make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new update, you're gonna get notified right away. So what are these 7 secret updates that Instagram is going to be releasing later this year? Well, first of all, there are so many updates that I need to actually have a cheat sheet on my phone to share with you exactly what they are. First is the new link on stickers. So as we know, when it comes to Instagram stories, you would need to have a minimum of 10,000 followers before you can even have the swipe up option to actually have someone being directed to a website of your choice. Well, guess what? Now, Instagram, with its upcoming changes, they are gonna add in a sticker link, just like this over here. So all you really have to do is simply have a sticker link and someone can actually click it like a button to go directly to your website. This is a huge opportunity, especially if you are into direct marketing or you want to actually sell products or services right on your Instagram story. And in fact, I would believe that this is also going to help immensely when it comes to Instagram ads, especially on the story side of things, because people no longer need to just swipe up. They can actually click a specific sticker button and they can go directly to your website. I would believe that the click-through rate will go up, which means conversion will go up and costs will go down when it comes to Instagram story ads. Now, number 2 is having embedded browser autofill. So as you all know, when you are on Facebook or Instagram, you're actually not using Google Chrome or Safari or Firefox. You are actually having an in-app browser in place. Now with the upcoming release on Instagram, there's going to be an autofill functionality. So what that means is that if someone actually go to your website from Instagram and it's requiring the user for their name, email, phone, or contact information, it will eventually be autofilled. And when it's autofilled, the chances for error and also the opt-in rate is going to actually skyrocket because people don't have to type in all their contact information. All the information are autofilled and people can just click on it right away. This is going to be great for people that actually are into lead generation business or email marketing because now people don't have to enter their email address. It's going to be autofilled, so you would expect a much higher opt-in rate. Number 3. For those of you that are using Instagram Reels, congratulations. As you know, the limitation for Reels is 30 seconds. Now it's going to be upgraded to 60 seconds. So a minute worth of video time with you and your following so that you can actually get longer time with your following and actually talk more or expand on the stories that you want to talk about. Number 4, this, I'm gonna love it like crazy. There's now going to be multiple block features that's gonna be released on Instagram. Listen, I get DMs all the time, and majority of the DMs are really people trying to sell me stuff or people asking me to actually go into these growth engagement groups and stuff. And you know what? I don't want any of these. And in a nutshell, I can't just block them. It just keeps coming through. But now with the upcoming updates on Instagram, there are going to be several blocking features inside your accounts where you can actually block these DMs or block specific words that you don't want to actually show up. So personally, I think that my productivity level will actually go up a lot because I have now this feature to actually block people out. Now, number 5, this is massive, all right? Shopping in Reels. Now, at the end of the day, there are more and more consumers that are actually on Instagram Reels. And now, for e-commerce sites, or if you are selling a particular product, you can actually have a specific sticker that is selling the product that is on the Reels that people can click on and go directly to your website. So shopping is going to be a big thing when it comes to Reels. And in fact, I think that there's going to be a next wave when it comes to e-commerce with shopping Reels once Instagram released this. Currently in China, there are a lot of influencers that simply just go on live broadcasts and simply sell a lot of products. And now with Reels, I would assume that it's going to actually be the same stepping stone where it's going to allow influencers and brands to actually just go on Reels and simply sell the product where people can actually buy right on the Reels as well. So again, I think that this is a huge advantage for both business and Instagram influencers as well. Next, I would believe it's going to be massive, all right? Especially if you are a media buyer and especially for those of you that are into advertising. The next is called ads in Reels. So as you all know, Facebook tried to actually expand to more placements so that they can actually serve ads. And the more ads they serve, the better their stock price is and the better advertisers can be because CPM will drop with more placements being opened up. And now Instagram is starting to actually test ads right in Reels as well. So I would believe with this upcoming change, we would actually need to adapt as an advertiser to actually have 4:3, which is like an iPhone size when it comes to video ads, so that it actually takes up the entire screen at the same time. And again, anytime there's a new placement, you would expect that the CPM is going to be far less because less people are using it, which means there's going to be great opportunities because Facebook obviously have all these data of these users and they're just extending it on Reels. It's going to be amazing. But what I believe will work really well is actually having that influencer or having a person's face on these Reel ads in order for it to really work at its maximum effects. All right. So these are the 7 huge updates. Oh, there's last one. There's also sticker ads as well. So you can actually have literally stickers of your product on I would say this is, there's actually product that can be linked to Facebook Shop. Facebook Shop is also going to be a next big thing that they're working on right now. And right now with Instagram, with the upcoming updates, you can actually link it to your shop that people can actually buy products directly on Instagram as well. So that's massive, especially for influencers or small businesses that don't have a website. This is going to be a huge opportunity as well. So like I said, these 7 exclusive insider updates has not been released or fully released yet at the time that I'm actually recording this video for you. We just have the ability or also have obviously networks and resources to actually get access into these information. And I'll credit some of these people right at the end of the video. Thanks for sharing all these with us. But at the end of the day, these upcoming changes are going to be massive, especially if you are trying to build a business on Instagram or try to grow a following, or you're trying to actually generate more money with Instagram as a social media channel. So with that, watch out for these updates. We're going to play around with it. And when we actually play around with it and see results, we're going to share with you inside my YouTube channel. So make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I have a brand new video and also insider updates, you're going to get notified right away. Till next time.